Hey guys, it's Tyler Dodd with RE/MAX Connects. We're going to take you through one of our very first virtual open houses. We need 3.5 minutes of your time, and we're going to show you this home in 3 steps. We're going to show you the outside, we show you the inside, as well as the backyard. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. There is a link right here which will show you the full website for this listing. It'll give you specs, floor plans, stills, video walkthroughs, as well as a 3D floor plan too. So I hope you enjoy it, but let me know if you have any questions. Right now, you're looking at the outside of the property. It's a gorgeous subdivision, it's not very old. Show's phenomenal. Okay, and now we're gonna go on the inside of the house. And we're gonna have to pull it back for a second here just so you guys can actually see the layout. And this is our 3D rendering, and we're going to pull it out, and this is the top. So you see the entranceway, the garage, the washer and dryer just off the garage, as well as the 2-piece, the living room, and then we're going to come right up into our kitchen and our dining room area. All right, and then we're going to go in, and I'll be able to show you. So from the dining room, it overhangs to see where the living room is. And the living room features this nice open concept, has a nice gas fireplace, and it's got great sight lines right from the front door. Okay, this is a tiered level home. It's not a side split or a back split. It's a multi-level, and you can see that now as we zoom out and we go to the side. You see there's 3 sets of staircases, one up to the kitchen, and then another one that goes up to the master, and then up to the kids' bedroom as well. So we're gonna turn it around here, and we're gonna go right into the master bedroom. You see the stairs there. It's on a separate level from the kids' bedroom, right? So we'll just spin it around. You can see the ensuite. You can see the master bedroom. It is quite large, but the benefit of having it on your own floor is that you don't hear anybody above you. You don't hear the kids banging around, stomping around upstairs. And then we'll go to the kids' bedroom up here. All right, we'll turn it around. And you can see the 2 bedrooms on the side as well as the washroom. And we'll just zoom into the hallway so you guys can get a little bit better perspective. Nice and bright, lots of windows. We'll pull it out again. We'll go right down into the family room. So the family room is down from the stairs from the living room, but it is above grade, so if you did want to put a separate entrance, you could do that. And we'll zoom in here. So it's fully finished family room. You do have plenty of windows, so once again, nice and bright. Zoom around, we got a bookshelf full of books. These guys are very smart people. They chose me, so of course they are. And we're gonna spin it around here. Okay, we're gonna pull it out. And then we're going to just show you the basement. So it is an unfinished basement. The lower level, it's got a washer dryer, or not washer dryer because that's up by the garage. It's got your furnace, your AC. There is a rough-in in the basement for another washroom, and it can be finished for extra living space. So there you guys can see it. You see the 3D rendering. We've taken you through the whole place. See the garage. It's a double-car garage. Everything's well maintained in this property. And here's our laundry room. Having trouble getting in the garage, the door's locked. We'll pull it out so you guys can actually see it. There you go. So, what next I want to go through with you guys is the outside. And we're gonna start off by going down to the kitchen area and out the sliders. And now we can spin it around and you guys can see the yard. So it's a tiered deck, again, tiered house, tiered deck. It's a fully fenced yard. You can see the aerials now, and in the aerials there's something very unique where we have solar panels. So this particular house, the solar panels are paid for. They are owned by the seller. All right, it's a great added benefit for you buyers. You get $3,600 to $3,800 a year on the solar panels. You can look above. Everything's maintained, everything's in great shape. I encourage you guys to take an extra look at the link right now because this beauty won't last long. and it's a great property in an even better location. So come on, take a look, give me a call. It's 519-837-6000, and I look forward to dealing with you guys and showing you properties virtually. We do have precautions if someone wants an individual viewing, but that's on a case-by-case basis, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed, and continue to look at property during this time. You're at home, so I think it's a great opportunity to see what's out there. Thanks, guys. It's Tyler Dodd with RE/MAX Connects, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye for now.